Recording in
every
progress.
10 seconds refresh. Yes. So every 10 seconds, what happens? Your view is refreshed automatically. It is refreshed. Okay, na? So these are the things we discuss later, guys. This is Middle View's main functionality. Okay. We discuss later about this. Now it is not required. Right. At the end of the skill session, so I will discuss. Okay, but where the views are stored now to see the created view names. To see the created view names, select star from user underscore views. Everything. See view name. What is the view select statement? Everything is available, guys. Everything is available here. Okay, guys. This is to see the selected view names. Next one is dropping views. Drop view V1. Your view is dropped. Okay. But what is the purpose of views? Okay. Yeah. Views provide security. Views provide security. Views provide security. How it is? See here. So over a 7 a.m. he grant his view to first he create one view on employee table, the V1. Over a 7 a.m. grant his V1 to my user. How the my user can access? Username dot means here security provides on table name. That is name. Okay, guys. That is. Here the security provides on table name. That is. Here the security provides on table name. What is the table name? EMP. Okay. That is, guys. And also yesterday we discussed one example to hold multiple tables information into single table. How it is? By using complex view, right? Right, guys. So the next one. Next object is, guys, indexes. What next object? Indexes. 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 What the indexes main functionality? Indexes are used to improve the performance. Improves the performance while retrieving or manipulating data. Indexes are used to improve the performance while retrieving or manipulating data. That is. How it is. Suppose, guys, we have that table. Suppose we have one table, guys. Okay, bank master thing. In this table, we have account number, customer name, opening date. Okay, no? Customer address, mobile number, email ID, account type, and balance. Suppose account number SBI 1, SBI 2. Up to I have SBI 1000. I have 1000 records. I have. I read on select statement, select start from select start from bank underscore master where ACNO equal to SBI 1. Here what happens? Okay, SBI 1 is no problem at all. I write down 900. Your account number equal to SBI 900. From this table, I want display SBI 900 record. It displays, okay, it displays, but internally will take some time. Okay. But before that now, how our database is checking to find this record? Internally, our database is checking each and every record and each and every column value. It is checking, guys. Each and every record, each and every column value. Means how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns are there. I want to find the 900 record. 900 into 8. 7,200 times the data is searching actually. Okay, na? 8 9 722 na? So 7,200 times the searching is going on internally. Then your record is found. Then displays. Actually, 7,200 times is not required na? Because I want to find a SBI 900 record. Means I want to check only account number column only. I want to check. Once it is checking account number column only, then it improves the performance. Now, these columns are only to check. In this scenario, our indexes are supported. Once you create index on account number column, after that, you write down this statement. It is checking only account number column data when it is checking. In different databases, they're maintaining different algorithms, they're maintaining different searching methods they're using. In Oracle database now, once you add the index, so shall start from bank master where account number equal to SBI 900. So once you add the index now, internally it is checking account number column, but data is searching randomly, guys. Data is searching randomly. Means maybe first time First iteration, you will get the output. First searching, or second searching, third searching. Maximum probability 1000 times. Maximum probability 1000 times. But in between, any time you will get. That is the advantage of our index mechanics. In SQL Server, suppose SQL Server is one of the database, na? In the SQL Server, first time, first RP is checking. First 500 record checking. If it is available, then displays. Or else it comes to next 500. That is one of the mechanism in SQL Server. Okay, na? So different databases, they are using different mechanism techniques, but finally improves the performance. That is, guys. Okay, right. This is one of the performance tuning technique. Okay, whenever we are fetching the data, at the time of fetching, you will take some time. Then simply, which columns you are placed in, where condition, on that column, simply we can add index. Okay, na? So indexes are used to improve the performance by retrieving or manipulating data. The first part. Indexes are activated whenever indexed column is placed in where condition. Indexes are activated whenever indexed columns are placed in where condition. Means I create index on account number column, but in where clause I used customer name, mobile number, suppose. There is no use. Because mobile number is an indexed column? No. Customer name is indexed column? No. Then what happens? If it is non-indexed column, again, searching methodology, again, it is going on. That's why on which column to create the index? No. On that column you should be placed in where condition. That is mandatory. Okay, second point. Indexes are also activated when the tables are manipulated by other users or by other application software tools. Indexes are also activated when the tables are manipulated by other users. That is. My table a bank master table. In my bank master table account number, I add the index. Okay, I grant my table to my colleague. My colleague also accessing my table. Okay, he can also see the performance because my colleague is accessing my table. Right or wrong? In my table, already index is there, na? The index is activated. That is called whenever your table is activated by other users, your index is activated, or by other application software tools. Other application software tools means other application software tools. Other application software tool means front-end applications. Suppose here I design one account searching form. In that account searching form, I entered account number, I click on the search button. The request comes to our backend. Right or wrong? So again, backend our index is activated. So you develop your GUI application, you develop your GUI application, any software, our backend searching methodology index is supported. That is called other application software tools. Next one, all created index names are, or index details are stored in stored in user underscore indexes. User underscore indexes. All created indexes are stored. Index details are stored in user underscore indexes. That is. That is. Right now. Basically, indexes are two types. Indexes are two types. One is clustered indexes. Hmm? Clustered indexes. Second one is non-clustered indexes. That is. Right, guys. Cluster indexes, non-clustered indexes. The first one is clustered indexes, first one. Non-clustered. Okay. Clustered indexes means simple like implicit indexes, we can call. Okay. These indexes are also called as implicit indexes. Okay. Once add primary key or unique constraints, then cluster indexes are automatically added. Cluster indexes are automatically added. Okay, guys. Means we know primary key, we know primary key and unique constraint. Na? At the time of discussing primary key, we discussed third point. Primary key is a combination of unique plus not null plus index. Unique not null we know. Unique means duplicates are not allowed. Not null means nulls are not allowed. What about the index now? The index is added by system automatically. Na? We are not adding, right or wrong? Just we add primary key only. But index automatically added by system. That is called implicit index. If the system do automatically, that is called implicit. If we can do explicitly, that is called explicit indexes. Guys, right. Okay, right. So, example. Examples primary and unique constraint. Second one is non-clustered indexes. These indexes are added by user explicitly. Okay. Non-clustered Non-clustered indexes are also called as explicit indexes. Okay, guys? That is. Right, guys? So non-clustered indexes are classified into different types. Very much of a problem. Right, guys. First one is normal indexes. First one is normal indexes. These indexes are created on any database column. First of all, what the syntax? Syntax for non-clustered indexes. Create index. So create index name on table name of column 1, column 2, and so on. Create index name on table name of column 1, column 2. Right, guys. Normal indexes. Right, guys. See an example. Create index name is my_int on EMP of employee number. EMP of employee number, that is. Observe this. Yes, index is created, guys. Index is created. After that, you can write EMP, where employee number equal to 7 02. That is. Okay. Okay, guys. But you ask one doubt, sir, before index, after index, so the same it comes, but how we can see the performance? That means in real time, we have the 1,000 records are there, lakhs of records. Before index, after index, how much difference it comes, we can see the performance. Or else in our database also, we have one concept is that execution plan. By using execution plan, it is a performance tuning actually. Explain execution plan or something is there. We have some keyword is there actually. Uh, Execution plan explain. Mhm. Okay, I will show that what is that one. Execution plan. Auto execution plan. Okay, I will show that auto. Then here we can see that based on that table, it comes from a small table, execution plan table. Okay, na? We can see, but here we can understand, we cannot understand in a performance tuning technique. Once you try to learn, na, at the time they discuss each and everything. How many bytes sending, how many bytes received, how to calculate this execution plan. Okay, everything. Now, okay, means I create index on employee number column. So in where class you should be placed employee number. Okay, right. Second type of index is composite indexes. Composite indexes. Composite indexes. To create indexes on index on more than one column. Is called as composite. To create index on more than one column, that is called composite indexes. To index on more than one column. Okay. In composite indexes, on first column, index is created. Index is created by default. See one example, guys. Means in where class, most number of cases you are using two columns. Suppose in where class, suppose select start from EMP where job equal to some manager and department number equal to 10. Suppose most number of cases we are using these two columns. Most number of cases this pair. Suppose job is indexed column, depart number is non-indexed column. Then what happens? No performance. Because in where condition, one column is indexed column, another column is non-indexed column, suppose. There is no use, guys. Right. So here I create the index. Create index. Index name is composite job deptno ind on template table of job comma dept. That is okay. Index is created. Select star from EMP. Then you can apply this one. Okay. Right. This is next one. So next one is unique indexes. Unique indexes. Unique indexes. These indexes are created on unique database columns, unique data columns. These indexes are created on unique data columns. These indexes are created on unique data columns. Unique data columns means if the column contains unique data, on that columns only unique index is added, guys. Suppose here create a unique index. Unique index UNI underscore IND on EMP of job. Suppose I want to create the unique index on job column. Yeah, cannot create unique index. Duplicate keys found because job contains duplicate data. No? Not possible. Can I create here? No. Can I create here? No. Can I create here? No. Key columns only we create. Okay. Means ID columns only we can create, guys. We can create on ID columns only we can create. Now we can create the employee number column. Now index. Now index 3. Okay. Generally, unique index right now here you can add, but by default it is added, sir. Note, once unique constraint is added on employee number column, then automatically Oracle added unique index. Okay, guys. Okay. These are the different types of indexes, guys. But where you can see these indexes now? To see the created indexes names, select start from user underscore indexes. What are the indexes created? Everything you can see. Or else select index underscore name. Some columns only I selected. Column name from user underscore indexes. Oh, so inside this user underscore indexes, these are the columns. So user underscore indexes, we already create index name, we can display table name on which column to create the index. I want to see the column name. Is there any column name here? Table name or table type or unit name? Index name on which table it is created. Okay. Select index name or table name. Index type. Normal indexes. These are the different types. Okay, guys. Right. Next one is dropping indexes. Drop index my underscore ILD. Your index is dropped, guys. Your index is dropped. Okay, fine. Right, guys. Next object is sequence. We know already sequence is concept, guys, right? We discussed already row ID, row num pseudo column. We discussed row sequences. Sequences are used to generate sequence of numbers automatically. Sequences are used to generate sequence of numbers automatically, right? We know how to generate when we discussed curve next val concept. Curve means returns current sequence value, next val means returns coming generated sequence value. Right or wrong? That is. Okay, guys? That is. Fine. Right, guys. This is. Right, guys. Okay? The examples, guys. Okay? Next object is synonym. Or next object? Synonyms. What's the meaning of synonym? In general word. In general meaning in English. What is the meaning of synonym? What is the meaning of synonym? means similar meaning name, right? Synonyms, antonyms are there, right? Yes, exactly, Harda. Yes, exactly. Similar meaning name, right or wrong? Here also the same like. In our database also same like synonym. Means we have table is EMP table. EMP is a table name. Okay. So on the table I create one synonym. On the table I create one synonym. One temporary name I created. Okay. But it is not like alias. Alias is different. Synonym is different. Okay. Right. So synonyms also provide the security because my table name is EMP table. I grant my table to my colleague. My colleague accessing directly my table name because I want to provide the security on my table name. Then first you create one dummy name on my employee table. The dummy name is something XYZ. That is the synonym name. So the dummy name is granted to my colleague. When my colleague is inserting data into my XYZ dummy table, directly my record is inserted into EMP table because the dummy table name is created on EMP. So on dummy table name, what are the operations you are performing, either insert or update or delete or select now? Everything is applied on EMP table. That is original table. Okay. So synonym is a synonym is a another name for a given table name. Next one, synonyms are created on entire table. On entire table, your synonyms are created. Synonyms are created on entire table. Synonyms are created on entire table. The synonyms are created. All right. Synonyms provides security, high security on table names. I will show that practically how it is. Guys, simple guys to understand about this synonym. Suppose you have a name. Suppose your original name is Your original name is suppose Satyanarayana. So your parents is calling daily your complete name. No, they are calling with nicknames. Nani, Chitti, Sati, something. Right or wrong? Yes, that is the nicknames. But once your parents are calling nicknames, who are calling? You only. Right or wrong? Same like here also same like. Once you call with synonym name, your original table name is calling internally. Okay, guys? This is called as synonym. We can. But why are you using synonyms, sir? Security. For security purpose, we are using synonyms in real time. Next one, to perform any DML, any DML commands on synonyms that are reflected on base table and vice versa. For some people are asking, sir, same definition we discussed on we also. Yes, views synonyms are similar actually. But compared to views, synonyms provides high security, guys. Okay? Right. So all created synonym details are stored in user underscore synonyms. That is this. User underscore synonyms. Right. What is syntax? Synonyms are two types. Synonyms are two types. First one is private synonyms. Second one is public synonyms. One is private, next one is public. Okay. What is the difference between these two? Okay. How the synonyms are using real time? These things we'll discuss coming session, guys. Okay. And about that tomorrow session, guys. See, guys, tomorrow we have the session. If the session is not there, I mail you to all by today evening. If the session is not there, I mail to all. Okay. If it is not there, if you didn't get any mail, we have the session. Okay. Fine. Understand now what I'm saying? If you will get the mail, then you don't have the session. Okay. Otherwise, we have the session.
Recording stopped.
Yes, team. Tomorrow you have the session, guys. Tomorrow we have the session. Okay.